Happy late morning and happy Friday to you, East Texas. I'm meteorologist Carson Vickroy. Just wanted to touch base with tonight's storm threat. It's important to note that not everybody is going to see the rain tonight, but again, we will be looking out for the potential at some showers and thunderstorms as we move into the overnight hours. Let's go ahead and get right to it. Temperatures right now, we're very warm. We're nearing record high temperatures. We're generally in the middle to upper 70s. It's 78 in Lufkin, 76 in Tyler, 77 in Longview. You compare those with our record warm temperatures. We are looking very warm right now for places like Tyler and like Longview and even Lufkin as well, where we're going to be in the lower 80s. Notice we're almost there in Tyler. We're within a degree now, so we will set the record today. No doubt about that. We're 77 is the record set back in 96. 1939 in Longview, a little far-fetched for us right now, but I'm not going to completely rule it out. Lower 80s will be the high temperatures there. 81 degrees in Lufkin. That should tie the record high of 81. We're already at 78 in Lufkin. Again, it was a very warm day in 1939. Let's go ahead and talk about Futurecast because we are going to be dealing with mostly cloudy skies for the remainder of the day. But again, I do think if we see the rain this afternoon, it's not going to amount out to much. It's just going to amount out to just a little bit of drizzle for us here. This is noontime. We are tracking a cold front off to our north and to our west. That's going to track closer to our area. By 6 o'clock, we are actually seeing a few breaks in the clouds, which should help to recharge the atmosphere a little bit. Or it could actually drop our temperatures a hair if those winds don't back it up. Now, as we head into the 8 o'clock hour, we're still seeing passing clouds here and there. Clouds will build back up by 9, and the cold front starts to move through the area by 11 o'clock this evening. Now notice, right along the front, that is where we're going to watch for the initiation of showers and thunderstorms. And because we have so much warm air so far ahead of us, we will see these storms struggle to form until about 1 o'clock in the morning. We could see a few bubble-up showers and thunderstorms, and these will be worth watching tonight because if we do see some severe weather, it will be out of these storms in deep East Texas. But again, this is well south of Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Center. And if these storms can stay by themselves, they do have the potential of becoming very strong, so we definitely can't discount that. But by 3 o'clock, the front's cleared through Lufkin and Nacogdoches, and we're seeing clear skies behind the front with a few passing clouds. Now you notice to the northwest of this front, it's a good dividing line. Really not going to see hardly anything at all, so I'm not too terribly concerned about a widespread severe weather event tonight. However, you still need to be weather aware because it only takes one storm to really turn around tonight for a few people. While most of you guys will not see the rain tonight, I do want everybody to be weather aware because if the forecast busts and you don't see rain, well, you'll be prepared for the next time because you've downloaded another source of weather information. Now, high pressure is going to settle in for your Saturday. We will see a few passing clouds, and it's going to be a pretty comfortable Saturday afternoon, just a little chilly with those northerly winds beginning to settle in. Here's the severe weather outlook for tonight. Now, notice that red right there. That is a moderate risk of severe weather that includes a large swath of the Ohio River Valley near Memphis, Jonesboro, Evansville, and near Louisville, Kentucky. This is pretty rare for the month of December when you see a level 4 or 5 risk. Now, here in East Texas, we do have a level 2 slight risk for our eastern counties. And again, it's mainly going to be a deep East Texas event from the way things look right now. Now, if you're not even in the marginal risk, you're going to be hard-pressed to see any rain. So I would not expect any rain if you live along into the north of I-20. Chances do increase, however, as you go further to the south. The closer you get to Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Center, the better your rain chances and the potential for severe weather will be. So definitely something worth noting there. Severe weather threats for tonight. Again, heavy rain, damaging wind gusts certainly can't be ruled out, but the models have been trending in the drier direction, which is good news for us. So if we do see a line of storms form, damaging winds, that will be your primary threat. Hail is a low threat for us as of right now. And if we do see a line, you always can't rule out a chance of a brief spin-up tornado or two along the line. Now, the tornado threat would increase if we did end up seeing some of those discrete cells form in deep East Texas. But as of right now, it looks like the possibility of that happening is on the low end. Let's go ahead and just discuss the next 7 days real quick. We're going to be at 80 degrees today. Record-breaking heat for at least Tyler, possibly Jacksonville. Longview, we're going to be far-fetched to reach that record high. Regardless, it gets much colder tomorrow afternoon. We're at 57 with about a 20% chance of rain. Most of that rain is out of here by daybreak tomorrow morning. Sunday and Monday, 60s, 70s expected for your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we are climbing that temperature ladder once again. And I'm sure we'll have another cold front where we're kind of dealing with the chance of severe weather at some point next week. But too long to tell. Let's get through this event first. Deep East Texas, same trend. Late tonight, probably after midnight. That's your best bet at seeing some of those stronger storms. And then we're down to about 59 degrees for your Saturday, about a 20% chance of rain. 60s and 70s return Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday as we do begin to heat things back up. So, bottom line, guys, I don't expect a widespread severe weather event. Most of you are probably not going to see a drop of rain tonight. But it is still good practice to have that East Texas Storm team at handy. It is a great tool. I often use it. You can get your latest weather warnings, share your photos and videos with us, and get live Doppler radar and forecasts, any lightning alerts, and any severe thunderstorm alerts as well. You'll get it via the East Texas Storm Team app. So again, I wouldn't stress, I wouldn't worry too much about it. A lot of you guys are going to be up anyway late Friday night. I just want to make sure that everybody is at least prepared for the potential of a severe storm tonight. But less than 10% of us will see those stronger storms for this evening. But stay tuned. We'll be right here watching it for you. You guys have a good one.